You see national themes, right? You see the McDonald's and the Hardee's and the well, not Chick-fil-A yet, but did you know that Truett Cathy passed away, that founded Chick-fil-A? I was at a Chick-fil-A Friday night, and they had a sign there at the drive-thru about that, honoring him. So it was kind of neat to see them honor him that way. So McDonald's and the other fast food organizations are experiencing these, you know, some call them strikes. I don't really call them strikes. These are not typically employees, at least here. They're not typically employees of these fast food restaurants. There may be a few, but mainly what they have been is people from out of state. You know how people talked about the moral money protesters were from out of state, and really they weren't. They really were from here. Well, these folks really are from out of state. Go look at the tags at the next fast food conflict, and they're there. So if you were to go up and interview folks here, and a lot of these signs, they look handmade, and they're printed. You know, they print stuff to look handmade. Isn't that kind of cool? Isn't that kind of cool? So this is a local one. You see that spray painted thing? Well, that's not spray painted. That's printed. All right. That was a McDonald's a few months ago. This is downtown Durham about 3 weeks ago, approximately 3 weeks ago. So a lot of these folks are not from here, and they're not on strike, even though that's what's on the sign. So you know, it's really a social justice movement as much as it is anything else, because at the end of the day, if you think about this fitting the organize and bargain model, it really doesn't. You know, if you think about the economics of organizing a fast food restaurant owned by a franchisee, and that'd be a common scenario, how many employees are going to pay the union's dues? What's the turnover in that bargaining unit? What's that franchisee's ability, even if they want to meet a pay rate like that without a lot of capital infusion to automate things, for instance? So it's not a good economic model for the labor union. It's a good social justice model.